Hi viewers, this is Saurabh from Mac to iPhone. Today we will see how to make animated text video on macOS. To make this we will use Keynotes and iMovie apps which by default comes with macOS. So here no additional paid software needed. Let's see. Open Keynote and from Keynote templates use basic black. Now type your word which you want to animate and align it to center and make some changes to look better, like increase font size, change text format, and the most important thing that make it green color because we will use green screen overlay in iMovie. Now animate it by clicking animate from the right side top corner. Then add effects in built-in action and built-out animation from the templates list. I am going to make 6 to 7 seconds animation, so changing the duration to 3 seconds for each effect. Click build order when all effects are selected. Now select all and change it to after previous build. Now preview it by clicking preview icon. If you like the animation, then it's time to export to movie file. Go to file from menu bar and export to select movie and change the resolution to 1080p.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse.
Now in iMovie project, import your new animated video over to your iMovie project. Then click on overlay and select green blue screen. That's all. If you see green text even after overlay green screen, then select eraser tool and click on green text. Hope it will help you to create animated text video in macOS. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.